Guys, we're back. This is Fårup, Nightfall. Starts at 6:30. There's a lot of lights. DJ, I think.
Oh yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of music and things like that.
Full party.
Yeah, it's gonna be a full party. Also, as you can see in the logo there, they're doing projection mapping. I don't know why I can't say that. Can you say it?
Projectum.
Yes, that.
Something.
It looks amazing on the sign here. But anyway, guys, this is Fårup Nightfall. Last time for this year.
Er dagen ved at gå på held. De sidste gyldne stråler rammer snart skovens højeste træ, og når solen går ned, bryder lyset frem.
Prøv at kigge på græskar. Ja, jeg har godt det. Lili.
Started Nightfall here, and this part, it's looking fantastic.
It's just such a feeling.
Yes, it's a vibe. The music is quite calm right now, so we expect it to be a little bit more.
We are ready for the party.
A little bit later, but it's looking amazing. And we can see Fønix in the distance, and that is looking bonkers. We're going there now. So dark, it's hard to find. It's not gonna find focus on us. Let's see. There we go. Do we have focus on us?
I don't think.
Yeah, we do. Anyway, as you can see, the blinking. This is bonkers. This is party around Fønix, and it's looking fantastic. We're gonna film this a little bit, and then we're gonna have a night ride. First ever night ride in Fønix. Train is gonna come in a little bit, so we're gonna film that one.
And it's quite cool because they
blind you. Yeah.
With the lights. So
yes,
you don't
it's gonna be a really dark ride, even if it is dark. So it's looking
cool.
awesome. Yeah, so we're gonna look at this train, guys. There's one thing I miss here. Music. That would be great to have some music here. This may not be the best vlog for people who are sensitive to blinking light, because this is bonkers.
Yeah.
But this is looking amazing. I think that we should go and have a ride in Fønix.
I think so too.
Night ride.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Sorry again for the poor quality. We're doing our best, we promise. Maybe it's kind of good though, I'm not sure. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. One more thing. Where's the music?
It's gone.
I would love to have music in this area. It would have been so cool. But doesn't matter. Sarah is looking at Fønix. Let's go ride it. We just did Fønix in the dark. Sarah, review.
Oh my god. That was amazing. It was like there were lights, it was fire, it was dark.
Yeah, it was fire.
Oh my god.
Still no music, but it doesn't matter. That was the best ride I had in Fønix ever.
Yeah.
It was so
It
fast.
was so cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
We're gonna film some more over here at Fønix, and then we're gonna check out Orkanen and some other stuff in the park during this Nightfall festival.
Ej, det var fandme sjovt. Der var det ned i mørket. Hold da kæft.
It's just beyond pretty here. So much lights. I was expecting a little bit different music, but doesn't matter. tell you guys, we are amazed. Right, Sarah?
Yeah, we are.
It is
Look
fantastic.
at this party now.
Sarah is dancing for you guys. We need some extra subs for lads. Lynet doesn't have that much light, but Virvelvinden does. Oh no, I take it back. It actually had some lighting going on there. Our old Liseberg ride, Virvelvinden, or Spin Rock, is enjoying Nightfall. And here comes the rain again. Walking from Fønix to Orkanen is a freaking workout.
It is.
It's really long.
So long.
But we're halfway there.
We're halfway.
Yeah.
And we're walking forever.
We promise we're getting there. You're gonna see it. We found Orkanen. Here's the little cubes that we talked about in the day vlog from the park. It's brilliant and it's so pretty. By the way, the building here in the back, we can zoom in on it, is actually Hotel Fårup, or Fårup Hotel, which was fully booked tonight. Sadly, so we can't stay there. But anyway, as you see, it's connected to the park, which is fantastic. Now, it's time to ride. We have now decided to ride Orkanen in the dark, and Sarah she's in such a hurry. She's here, I promise. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was Nightfall at Fårup Sommerland. That was bonkers.
That was great.
I think
so
that,
impressed.
yeah, I think that was amazing. The lighting going on.
With the music.
With the music, we had music in the end there.
Yeah,
Finally, we
yeah.
got some music there. But I thought it was gonna be a DJ. I don't know why, but there was no DJ. Not that we saw at least. But doesn't matter. It was really, really good. Riding Orkanen was really good. Riding Fønix was bonkers.
We got 2 laps.
Yeah, we got 2 laps back row in Orkanen.
Great.
It was really good. So that concludes our day here at Fårup.
Yeah.
So again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe,
Comment.
and like. Bye guys.